everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mitch. Today's video, guys, I'm going to make an eyebrow stencil, which is from the blotters of perfume. I have two kinds of blotters here, from Marc Jacobs and Balmain. So what I'm going to do is to measure my eyebrows and draw it in these blotters and cut it out. So please stay tuned, guys, if you want to see how I do it. So I have here the ruler, guys, and this ruler is measuring 10 centimeters. So from here, let's say this is 0 centimeter to here. From this one, it will be 6 centimeter, I think, here to here. So now I'm going to measure the curve from here to here, from this side to this side. After drawing, guys, kakat ko na siya, and I will use only the white blotter eyebrow stencil. So guys, now I'm going to try now stencil. So optional kung gusto niyo maglagay ng base, but for me I like to put the base kasi mas nagtatagal siya at mas kumukulay yung eyebrow powder natin. So this is from Chelsea. This is a dual highlighter and concealer. So concealer I'm going to put here. I have the powder here from Chelsea. It's called dark brown. So now, guys, because this one is a bit medyo mahaba siya, so guys, sa paglagay ng eyebrow shaper is diinan nyo lang siya para hindi kumalat yung powder. And I suggest na gumamit kayo ng creamy concealer as a base sa kilay ninyo para magkulay talaga yung brow powder na in-apply ninyo. So for me, nag-re-apply lang ako ulit hanggang sa makuha ko yung kulay na gusto ko. And after that, gumamit lang ako ng angled brush para i-adjust yung brow shape ko para magkaroon din siya ng definition. So optional, guys, you can put an highlighter also in the side. So let me check, and I'm gonna try it. So, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng kahit na anong concealer, guys, para sa paglinis ng kilay ninyo. So, guys, ito na yung finished look ng eyebrow stencil natin. Yan po, mabilis lang siyang i-apply. And time saving pa. Kahit anong material ay pwede nyong gamitin na sa tingin nyo ay pwedeng magamit as a DIY eyebrow stencil. At kung nagustuhan niyo ang video ito, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga videong katulad nito. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye!